It's been some time that I'm mixing this song, actually not full time when I have time. And there is a problem with chorus part. This is my own song and mixing and mastering is mine. So let's go check. You will hear the problem as soon as I play. کردی کمین I have no soul, I have nothing. I have no soul, I'm dead inside. If you wanna make friends with me, no, that's when danger arises. I have no soul, I have nothing. I have no peace. It's good, but it's too soft. I wanted to have some harshness to it, to bring it up, bring it closer, to make it more serious. The way it's been sung is soft. It was supposed to be soft. The chorus is soft, but I want to make it a little bit harder as much as I can to have better impact. So let's go for FXs. I have here this Compciter, whatever. کردی کمین I have no soul, I have nothing. I have no soul, I'm dead inside. If you wanna make friends with me, no, that's when danger arises. I have no soul, I have nothing. I have no peace, I'm all crisis. If you... This space has a lot of bright and clean audio materials. So the vocal needs to be harsh, almost harsh, let's say bright and presence to be apparel in the mix and don't get shy in the crowd. It is Compciter that I earlier couldn't read its name. It is simple but effective. High pass, distortion, drive, all you need, and you could have your dry signal and add wet signal to it. Without this plugin and with this plugin. کردی کمین I have no soul, I have nothing. I have no soul, I'm dead inside. If you wanna make friends with me, no, that's when danger arises. I have no soul, I have nothing. I have no peace, I'm all crisis. If you wanna make friends with me, it's something that you can't realize it. As you can hear, it is a little bit harsher than it was. Earlier it was soft, now it is harsh, but in a good way, and you can hear it much better. Its details, its presence, and its necessity to be heard and sit and fit better in the mix. This plugin did the job. I didn't think so it would be able to do, but it did. Certainly there is some need for controlling high frequencies with deesser or whatever you might use, a multiband compressor like Re-X Comp or a deesser from Tucson or whatever plugins you have. I will use Tucson, by the way. It better be before Compciter. It will work more natural and more pleasant. So thanks for watching, my friends. Don't forget to subscribe and follow for more.